What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. We are on part God knows what of sound deadening and trying to carpet the inside of the car. So I put down the roofing membrane stuff again and sealed it all up, and then I decided to do what the other shop did and use house foam carpeting stuff, because that beaded mat or whatever the hell it's called is stupid expensive. And then I figured, I did cut out most of the floor and then treated whatever was left with the rust converter. And then I got that layer of, sealed in aluminum membrane slash wannabe dyno mat, brown paper, whatever. It should be okay. So we're going with that. So let me flip this around. So here is everything done. Don't mind the wires, those are getting tucked to the way. Now we got our carpet. So let's do a fake snap and cut to it. So for fun, I half-ass laid the carpet down. Might have to buy a little chunk for the back there, if I really give a shit. And I still took off the shifter, because it's up there. Still need to remove the handbrake so I can pull this taut. And then this stuff forms pretty good. So I might buy one more yard just to do the back area there, or I might buy another, let's see, maybe a 2 yard. That way I could do the trunk. So I could cover the trunk in all this. So let me get some gluing and some cutting done, and we'll cut to that, and slowly coming together. So here we are. Got dirty really fast, but there we are. That's half done. Still got to glue the other half over there, and there we go. That's how it came out. I am using, 3M high strength 90. Since it's on the floor, this stuff dries fast even when it's cold, because it's like 50 out here. But yeah, once I vacuum this up, it should look really nice. So this is with all of it down. Don't mind the little chunks here and there. Still need to cut out the e-brake hole and the shifter. But there it is, people. And maybe put a little bit more up there. But I still need to put that guy there for the defrost and junk. So I had enough to make it out to here. The seat comes to here. So there is my carpet and sound deadening compared to I need to get some of that in here to suck that up, so that's pretty good. So there we go. That is carpet is done. I gotta clean off these seats. I still need to hunt down if I should just, I think I'll pay a shop, because like I said, that stuff is flammable. I mean, it's old. I mean, the front seat had boxes cut up to fill in where someone's butt fell through over all the years. So once again, yeah, I don't know what their budget was. I don't know what that shop was, but that shop put their name all over this car, or really big across the back and on the gas cap. And it's like, I'm doing it out in my garage, and I'm learning as I go, because this is the first time pretty much doing carpet on my own. Not the greatest carpet, form fit would be better, but hey, spend some time, spend some money. There we go. Nice black carpet. Like I said, I am going to probably change the inside of the coloring, and doesn't look that bad actually. Let me throw the seat in and see how that looks. So there we are with the back seat in. I don't know if I get the shot wide enough. So that's how that looks. Just enough right there for very small kids' feet. This should say Porsche. Anyways, let's get the front seats in. So for fun, I threw in the dirty sill. You gotta look at how it looks. That's how it looks with the driver's seat. Way forward, but yeah, that's about where it is. They do sell the universal bracket, so I can run aftermarket seats, or I make my own pedestals, because it sits really good, but I think the back side needs to come up a little. There we go, people. I mean, this isn't snapped in. You know, there's barely a gap. I still got lint on my fingers, but that will scoot back more and go in. So that is where we are at. So we got the carpet pretty much in. I still need to route the wiring for the fuel pump, in the sill, and probably some speaker wires and maybe an RCA. Do it all now. And a signal wire. So one set of RCAs, I guess. We'll see what I got. And then, yeah, that's it, people. Interior. So we got the cool cluster. That's dusty. So we got cluster, we got carpet, we got sound deadening. Still need to dent that, and the trunk. But there we go. That is how this is coming. Hope you guys are enjoying my shoddy camera work and decent hot rodding skills here. So it is Arctic in here, hence the electric heater. And yeah, because it's 25 outside, the heater, like anyone really cares. We are at, come on, 52 or 4. Either way, it's cold, but that glue sure likes to dry fast even in the cold. So people, motor, car, we're getting there. I'm still trying to figure out wheels, either by replacement tires and say fuck it, or actually size them up and get rims and tires. Now I was thinking 15 by 8, but according to the Miata pages, I could fit only like a 205. I would like at least a 215. I think I could definitely do a 215 at least, but I gotta measure and shit like that. The hood still needs going. Hood, fix the gas leak, run some wiring, and then I could drive it. The tags are paid for, they're on, and just a matter of a shakedown. And yeah, so I hope you guys had a good New Year's, and if you got garage time, go play in the garage. Go get an RC car. That'll be maybe in my next video. I'll show you that toy car that I got swindled into due to family having fun. So once again, peace out and Happy New Year.